is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And guys, here it is. You've been waiting for a long time, and time is now, so we're going to dive right into probably one of the cleanest, fastest, most ridiculous Foxes I've ever come across. Well, let's go. All right, guys, so here is the situation. We are at, of course, Moe's Speed Shop, and I've got the man himself, Jeffrey Harris.
Good to see you.
This, you know, known Jeffrey forever, always been a fan of his car. Wanted to do this video the last time and just wasn't time. But Jeff, let's, real quick, it looks like a Celine. Like, it's perfect.
It's a clone. I built a car that I wanted in high school. So
right.
We couldn't afford it in high school. Probably can't afford it now, but it was,
exactly,
you know, one of those things.
But it's like, it's all real parts.
I used all real Celine parts. I didn't use anything that was aftermarket. So put 86 model seats in it and bought a leather hide, and had them covered to match the back seat, and put a Terminator in it with a 2.9 Whipple and a 6-speed, and it's built for max fun.
Lots and lots of fun, which we're going to get under the hood of this bad boy in just a second. But seriously, these are the real Celine ground effects.
Yes, sir.
And of course, yes, the speed lines, which, I mean, good luck finding them, and good luck having the money on hand to buy them if you do.
Yeah, they've doubled in price since I bought these.
I mean, this thing, and guys, the car is just, is it low miles, or?
It was, when I got the car, it had 40,000 miles on it. So I've probably put 10 on it since I purchased it, but I've rebuilt everything on the whole entire car. So.
But it shows, I mean, it's just, and then of course on the interior, clear, we got the Dakota Digital, and you said the seats are fresh leather.
Yeah, fresh leather.
And
you know, the carpet and all is original in the car. The back seats are original. You know, all the interiors are original in the car, even the steering wheel.
Wow.
It was a nice car to start with. A good friend of mine owned the car. I traded a Chevrolet truck for this car.
Good call.
It's one of those cars I always liked, and the car's always been a pretty car. I've always liked the car, so
it's amazing. And then of course got the roll bar, just because we've got 600 and what now?
620 to the tires. It's just enough to cruise it around and have some fun.
Yeah, just enough, right? Enough. But of course, guys, you know, the real Celine whale tail, the Borla exhaust. It's just, this car is amazing, and all the decaling is correct, isn't it, for the year?
Yes.
Just amazing. Got the drag radials. I mean, it's kind of required, but and this leather is just amazing. Everything is perfect. Again, there's the Dakota cluster, and just, yeah, it's awesome. All right, boys, so again, under the hood is where it really starts to get serious. And Jeff, how did you come across this engine?
This engine actually came from Rob at the parts farm. He's another good friend of ours. He had a very low mileage 04 Terminator motor. Okay. And I called him up. He cut us a deal on it, and I purchased it. And then Marty had another customer of ours that had the 2.9 Whipple that had never been put on a car, so we purchased that from them, and this is how we ended up. 60-pound injectors, you know, returns fuel system.
Yes.
You know, it's built for max fun.
Yes.
Is there faster cars out there? Yes, but this thing it's made to take out and go get ice cream and have a really good time doing it.
Just amazing. And guys, you can see this is true Terminator engine, and then of course the Whipple. Now in a Terminator, which is good 500, 600, 700 pounds depending on the car, heavier, this is a high, you know, this is a pretty badass setup.
Yeah, considering factory it came with 220 of the tires.
Right. You know, so, but even compared to a Terminator, you know, like this combo in a Terminator, which is a heavier car, would be fast.
Yes, it's fun.
But now we're in a Fox.
It's running 108 miles an hour in the 8. So it's a lot of fun, you know, just to take out and cruise, and, you know, it'll do anything. I can, you know, this car will sit for 3 months, and I'll go out there, I'll crank it up, and I'll take it out and go drive it around. So it's dependable, and I like the dependability a lot.
All right. So Jeff, as far as drivetrain, I'm guessing it's T56 transmission.
T56, 26 spline input shaft. It has a twin disc clutch in it. Aluminum drive shaft, of course.
Sure.
8.8 with 31 spline axles. Motorsport 31 spline carrier. Bassani exhaust.
Nice.
Borla tips on the tailpipes, and then I put Flowmaster mufflers just to give it the old, our old sound, the old Rust Masters.
So is it headers or manifolds?
It's got manifolds.
Okay.
Manifolds. The covers don't pick up a lot from changing the manifolds.
Okay.
And this car's mostly about being simple and no problem.
Sure.
So.
Yeah, and headers can be a problem. And honestly, does anybody make a Terminator swap header that I don't know?
We have put the headers, Terminator headers, on the Fox body, so they do work.
They do work.
They do work, yeah.
That's cool.
A little work involved, but not much.
Definitely, just unreal. And the suspension, is it?
It's all UPR, K-member, coilovers. It's got 90-10 front struts on it and stuff. It actually, when I want it to hook, it will.
Yeah.
But if I want to play and spin the tires, I can do that also. So.
And it just depends on the mood, right?
Yeah,
you never know what you want to do in a
exactly.
600 plus horsepower Fox. I mean, for heaven's sake. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this. I've had a lot of people asking about having a Terminator swap Fox body on the channel, and guys, I'm telling you, this car is probably one of the cleanest, and they've got several others here that are just as nice. But just like the Coyote, they go in, and the issue with them is finding them, because clearly the Terminators were limited production. But hydro boost and whatever you want to do, these are absolutely amazing cars, with the Terminator engine in it. And as I've said again, Jeffrey's car is just absolutely beautiful. This is the perfect cruiser right here. Do anything you want to do. Factory reliability, good brakes, just absolutely amazing car. So huge honor to be out here at Mo Speed Shop and get to do some video here of Jeffrey's car. And I think he might have put 10,000 miles on it in the past like 15 to 20 years, maybe. I'm not sure, so I'm gonna have to get on to him about that. He needs to drive it to Ford Takeover or something, get this bad boy out, because you just do not see them like this anymore. This car is amazing. All right guys, so that is it. Again, huge shout out to Jeffrey Harris letting us do a video on this car. Huge shout out to the guys at Mo Speed Shop for everything. car is amazing, and I hope you like the rollers. We were trying to very carefully play in Mexico with the car, you know, and of course follow all local laws and ordinances, local, state, and otherwise. And it's hard to do in a 600 plus horsepower Fox body, but we tried. So there you go. But in the meantime, if you like Terminator Swap Fox bodies, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Okay, that's it. Later, guys.